I'm Cody Quinless. I'm a factory sales rep at Steel Green Manufacturing. At Steel Green, we build zero-turn spreader sprayers for the commercial lawn care customers. We build custom machines, so we can customize all of our equipment to fit our customers' needs. So we're constantly looking for different things in the industry as to how to better improve our equipment. Our customers were looking for a solution to proof of service claims. So, they're not sure that they sprayed the entire property, or they might have, not did the backyard or this or that. One of the things that we started looking into was GPS tracking. Through that search, we ended up finding Razor Tracking. Not only will this system provide that proof of service where on a map, they can see exactly, where they sprayed. With Razor Tracking, it's going to be able to send our users a reminder when the machine's due to be serviced. We did quite a bit of testing with it, sent them out all over the country, have multiple out there. And from the factory standpoint, where we can pull them up and we can look at those and kind of see how everything's going, we can definitely tell. It's a lot easier, a lot faster to be able to get those claims submitted and everything too. And overall, it's a really great system. We're so impressed with it that it's going to become standard on all of our equipment.